How to start a meeting or host a video conference with Google Meet. Google Meet makes it easy for you to start a secure video meeting. Join from any modern web browser or download the app and you're ready to go. To start a meeting or host a video conference, open your web browser. For this tutorial, we will use the Google Chrome browser. Click the 9-dot box beside your account picture. Then click on the Google Meet icon. If you're already in, you can see buttons for new meeting and enter a code or link. If you're a participant of a meeting and you are already given a code by the host, all you need to do is to type or enter the code here and click join. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we will click on the blue button for new meeting. Then there are three options. If you want to create a meeting for later, click the first option. Then a dialog box appears giving you a link to copy. Copy the link and send it to whoever you want to invite in your meeting. Now you can paste it in an email or messaging services to invite others to the meeting. If you want to schedule a meeting, click on the third option. A new tab will open, taking you to the Google Calendar to create an event. You'll see that the event already has a Google Meet link provided. Here you can add the title of your meeting and set the time and date. And after filling in the event information, click Add Guest and type their email address. When you are done, click Save. To send the email invitations, click Send. The event will be added to your calendar and you can refer back to it when needed. Before the meeting, simply click the Join with Google Meet button to begin the video call. If you want to create or start an instant meeting, click on the second option. Take note that some pop-ups may occur if you haven't approved the use of your microphone, camera, and notifications. You just click Allow for these pop-ups. Here at this left side corner, a dialog box will appear and you can copy the link here and then send it as an invite to your participants. Before entering the meeting, you can decide the settings you want to use. You can choose to join meeting with your microphone and camera, either to mute or unmute your microphone or turn on or turn off by clicking their icons. You can choose to join the meeting with your camera and microphone. Some people turn off their microphone to mute themselves so that no one can hear them. Others keep their microphones on but may turn off their cameras so no one can see them. You can make changes to these settings inside the video call too. If you're using Chrome as your web browser, you also have the choice of changing your background. Just click on More Options and click on Change Background. Take note that as the host, you are the person who permits or denies an attendee from entering the video chat. When people without an invitation join the meeting, a dialog box will pop up. You'll have to choose to admit or deny entry for each person. And keep in mind that those denied will not be able to join the video chat. Once people have joined the video call, you can carry out your meeting. On your screen, you will notice your video tile as well as the video tile of the people in the call. So when you hover your mouse over a person's video tile, you can choose whether you want to pin that person to your main screen. This is helpful if there are many people in the call but you are speaking only to one person and want to see their screen. Then click to unpin them to see other people's screen in the call back again. You can also click their microphone icon to mute them. Muting means that the individual can't be heard because their microphone has been turned off by you. The person will then have to unmute from their own device to turn on their audio again. The circle with the minus icon lets you remove that person from the meeting. Be careful since this can be undone and they won't be able to rejoin the meeting. So, down below you can see the many features of the Google Meet. You have here the icon for microphone. Just click on it if you want to mute or unmute your microphone. Then beside is the camera. Click on this if you want to turn on or turn off your camera. Then beside is the icon for present now. If you click that one, there are options. Present your entire screen, if you want to present your entire screen to your participants, and if you want to show a PowerPoint presentation of your meeting, you just choose the second option, which is present a window. And the third option, present a tab, is best for sharing videos or animations from other tab or from other links. Then you have here the three dots icon for more options. We have whiteboard. If you click that one, so you will open a jam. Here you can collaborate or brainstorm or sketch ideas, so you can take down notes during the meeting. You can select as to start a new whiteboard or choose from the drive. Next is select change layout. This will make it easier to see everyone who is part of the meeting. So take a look at the dialog box and choose the option that would work best for you. We have auto, tile, spotlight, sidebar. Down below, you can adjust as to the number of tiles you want to see in your screen. So it depends on the window size of your screen also. Next is you can choose full screen if you want the Google Meet to take up your entire desktop screen. But if you didn't set up a background before joining the call or want to change it, you can also select change background. Then we have captions, report a problem, report abuse, troubleshooting and help. Then within settings, you can make changes to your audio or video. Here in the audio, you can select on the microphone or the speaker you want to use. Then you can also test your speakers to make sure they are working properly. Just click on this button here. For videos, you can also select on the camera that you want to use. Then here at the corner, we have icons for meeting details. If you click that one, a dialog box will show or will appear showing you the meeting details. So you have the link here. So if you want to invite more people to the meeting or see who is already in the call, you can click on the show everyone icon. And to send more invitations, just click on add people. Then below, you'll see who is in the call. If you don't want to see everyone in the call, you can click on the push pin icon next to your name to only see yourself on the screen, and you can click it again to unpin yourself. Then beside the show everyone icon is the chat tab. Chat tab is used to send a message to everyone involved in the call. So just type your message in the field at the bottom here of the panel, then click the arrow button to send it. You can also see messages from those that are already in the call here. Then click X to close the panel. We also have the icon for activities and icon for host controls. Okay, so the host management, you can click this. You will be the one to decide to either restrict what participants can do in the meeting. Then, of course, the last but not the least, we have the button for leave call or end call. So if you want to end your call, just click on this button and a dialog box will appear asking you to just leave the call or end the call. So we will click on the end call and you've ended the meeting for everyone. So if you learned something from this video, don't forget to give this a like or thumbs up and share this one to your friends for them to learn also. Thank you!